This is an improvised base for a tree socket. It is improvised. As I work with the molds and the concrete, I will improve the look of this. For now, I am slamming this together. I want to assemble the socket, test it, put a tree in it. This gap allows for the fence pole. In this way, the socket will be even with the chain link fence. This is the output line from my bathroom wash basin. The 2-inch to 1/2 inch adapter will limit the flow of water into this one socket so that water will flow past this socket to the other sockets and trees that will line this fence. This disc will direct the spread of roots to the circumference of the socket. When the growth requires the removal of the tree, the limited roots will allow me to twist the tree out for sale or transplant. The 1/2 inch adapter limits the flow of water into the socket. As I add more sockets and trees to this row along the fence, all will receive water throughout the day. And this is the flow from the washing machine. Every time I wash my hands or run the washing machine, the trees in these sockets will receive a flow of water enriched by soaps and detergents formulated for biodecomposition. As the months pass, I will line this fence with trees.